Welcome back to Bobo and Beyond, where Jamie and the Bobo crew test robot vacuums so that you don't have to. If you missed part 1, here's the quick version. Jamie just unboxed our newest robot, an iRobot Roomba 105 with an auto emptying dock. It's our very first self-emptying Bobo, and we found it on Poshmark for $65, even though they sell new for around $250. At first, we thought it was another broken robot. We let it charge while we went on a little adventure to the park, came home, and nothing. Then Jamie kind of dropped it a little, pushed the buttons a few times, and somehow it came to life. It's working perfectly ever since. I'm speeding through this next part just because Jamie spends quite a while doing some of what he loves most, taking the robots apart, figuring out how every brush, filter, roller, dustbin, and sensor works, and then putting everything back together again and again. Every robot has its own little designs, and it's been surprisingly fun comparing them all. Coming up soon, in another video, we're going to put the whole Bobo crew to work after I groom the dogs. If you ever wondered which robot vacuum handles mountains of dog hair the best, you won't want to miss this one. The results surprised me. But first, it's going to be time for the Bobo races. Let's see who takes the win today. It does seem to be very delayed in starting, huh? It's slow to start.
Mama, I got the big Bobo.
Yes, you got the big Bobo.
Mama, I got the big Bobo.
You got the big charger.
Mama, clean me! Mama, clean me! Mama, I got the big Bobo. Mama, clean me!
Cordy's stuck on Cha-Cha.
What? Mama, I'm touch
Oh no, he's really stuck on Cha-Cha. There we go, got it.
Thank you, Coco.
Thank you, Cha-Cha.
I want to come
clunk.
Mom, I got the big Bobo. Mama, that's Bucky. Mama, I'm going to wait. 1, 2, 3, go. Mama, wait here. Mama, look! Oh, I know. Mama, waiting! Mama, that's beautiful.
Careful, baby.
Oh, wait. I got bucket. Oh, look, I bucket. I'm moving our bucket.
It doesn't go in there.
Yeah.
Sorry.
What?
Sorry, it doesn't go in there.
A that bucket.
Yeah, just that one.
And look, oh, Mama, Mom. Mama.
I see.
What?
I see. Tikom's stuck on Cha-Cha. Jamie.
What? Gotham, wake up! Wake up!
Cha-Cha, wake up. Tikom's stuck on you. Oh, gentle. Oh, there you go.
I'm okay.
He's okay.
Now I get all out. Now I got Bucky. I got Bucky. Mom, I don't run away. 1, 2, 3, go. Mama, wait here. Oh, I want to twig soon.
Is he stuck? What happened to him?
Oh,
He's working.
no, okay.
He's okay.
Yeah, okay. Mama, I got you, Bobo. Mama, let's pick one up. Mama, look. I think you one up.
Yep, they're all lined up.
What?
Well, we'll see how long the new Robo battery lasts after just
Yeah.
a few hours charge, a few hours at the park. We would have never made such a long trip to the park. He was asking to go home after the first 10 minutes. If it hadn't been
Mom, wait.
for all the first responders being there, having a big fun day in the park. And we'll charge it overnight.
Yeah.
See how well it does. And then I'm going to groom the dogs, which will release a ton of dog hair, and there'll be a mountain of mess.
No.
One last race.
Okay. Mama, wait here! Oh, a bad cookie! Mom, a wish! Mama, wishing! A queen!
Thanks for hanging out with us today. From JJ, the Bobos, and me. We'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.